Hi, I'm Jennifer, and today I'm going to be getting busy on my spring cleaning. Spring is here, and I always take time this time of year to go and do all of the extra cleaning that I let go other times of the year. So today we're going to get busy and get everything started, and we're going to work away until it's all done. I'm so glad you're here. I'd be so happy if you subscribe and hit the like button, and let's get started with our cleaning. Depending on what type of furnace filters you have, they either need replaced every 30 or every 90 days. They're very easy to change and very easy to install. It's a great idea to mark your calendar so that way you can easily keep track of when you change them and when you need to change them again. This is also a really great time to dust all of the vents that you have for your air conditioning and furnace. While you have your ladder inside to change the furnace filters, it's a great time to take the ladder over and clean the top of the refrigerator. I am so glad to have all of my spring cleaning done for this season. It always feels so good to have it all behind me and have the whole entire house fresh and clean, and just to know that everything is all clean. I'm really glad you were here. I'm so grateful. It really encouraged me to keep going and get all of my spring cleaning done. I'd be really happy if you subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.